Greenhouse gas emissions are subject to increasingly stringent laws and regulations. As a result, they have a growing bottom-line impact on businesses. That's why carbon footprint transparency is required at the product level. But it is complex to treat emissions as an additional factor in unit costing and to identify reduction potential at this detailed level. Difficult task. Simple solution. The Teamcenter Carbon Footprint Calculator. Extending the Teamcenter product cost management workflow, it adds a product's carbon dioxide equivalent footprint by creating an immediate, visible link between product cost and product carbon footprint early on in product development. It covers all relevant emission factors along the value chain, from cradle to gate, in accordance with current standards. Emissions occurring directly during production. Emissions caused by purchased energy used during production. And emissions occurring upstream during the extraction of raw materials, the production of precursors, and their transport. Applicable environmental product taxation is also considered and shown. The Teamcenter Carbon Footprint Calculator relies on an integrated database with carbon emissions equivalent values that is constantly updated and extended. This enables comprehensive calculations and what-if simulations. For example, the effects of appropriate material choice, the relevance of weight optimization, the selection of an adequate machine size, and the possible benefits of manufacturing relocation. The Teamcenter Carbon Footprint Calculator takes product cost optimization to the next level. Accelerate your transition to net zero while operating profitably with the Teamcenter Carbon Footprint Calculator from Siemens.